Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you have seen over here, we have done this, almost done this texturing part over here. Few things which are left out. We'll be completing that, and after that we'll be starting up with the lighting part. So let's assign some textures over here. So for that, I'll select its polygons over here. So select this polygons. So select this polygons. Let's go into this. Let's take a V-Ray material over here and give a bit of reflection and refraction. I'll give it a bit less, not much. And if you want to increase the thickness, you can increase it with the IOR, that's your index of refraction. You can increase that. That's it. So inverse it. Again, give a V-Ray material over here, and let's give a bit of creamish color. So same texture will be assigning it over here also, and for this we are going to assign a dark texture. It's a black texture or shader, we can say. So once this is done over here, for this also we require to give a bit of a, so let's give it a black color over here. And if you need a bit of reflection, you can just give a bit of reflection on top of it. So let's keep on saving the files over here. So now select this again, and let's give a bit of wooden texture over here. So let's give a wooden texture. If you want to go with a wooden one, you can just go with a wooden texture. So let's go into the desktop and let's go into the interior. Texture. So we can just assign this one texture over here. So let's render and see. So whether we have assigned the texture, you can just check it out. So for this, we need to assign one more texture. Although the stairs are not much visible over here, but we'll just assign a texture on it for the so let's give a UVW map. I think this is not the right texture for this. So make sure you rename the textures properly. So if you're not renaming it, then it would be a kind of a problem. I think this is a texture over here. So yeah, this is a, I think, a right texture. So once you have assigned this texture over here, let's select this and let's give a texture for this also. So for that, let's select this object. Let's go into this polygons. Go into the material editor again. Let's take a V-Ray material. Will not give much darker material, but will give a bit of reflection. Control I inverse. Again give a V-Ray material and give a darker, give a bit of reflection. Alright, so let's go back to the camera view over here. You can just save the file over here. So now what I'm going to do over here is like, we are going to do a bit of lighting over here. This is just left out. We need to assign some texture on it. So let's just assign a wooden texture. So give a UVW map, fit that particular texture right away, and also we need to give a texture over here on top of this. So go into the material. So let's take a V-Ray material. And if you want to just give a leather material over here, you can just assign this and give a UVW map, make it as cylindrical and just fit it. So let's convert to editable poly. Let's go back to its camera view, save your file. So now what we are going to do is like, we need to assign some lights over here. For the lights, we'll be going into this view over here. If you want, you can just close it from the top. We can easily close this by taking a box over here, right from the top view. So take a box, resize it, and just push this up over here. Push it up. Alright. So now what I can do over here is like, I can just select this, and definitely I'll be giving the same texture which we have already assigned to the walls over here. So you can just assign the same texture. Make sure you rename the texture. So let's go into this lights and let's take a V-Ray light, and you have a light called V-Ray Sun. Let's go into this view, that's your front view, and let's take a light from here, right from the top. Yes, would you like to add an environmental sky? Say yes. Push this up over here. So we'll select this. You're doing a daylighting, and you can just change the filter color of this lights over here. So you have photon emit radius, you can increase that. So select this lights, push it up. So how far your light should go, that you can easily manage that. That can be managed. We'll be doing that over here. So just keep on saving the file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.